Hello! Today I will show you the unboxing of these outdoor LED string lights, and together we'll install them and later check how they look in the dark. I bought two of these packs together with the bulbs. These two sets cost me around $100. One string consists of 15 pieces of 27 socket bulbs and the cable is 15 meters long. The good news is that the strings can be connected to each other, so one electrical plug is enough for two strings. My goal is to cover this wooden structure with this 13-meter long light string. Start by placing the string on the ground to see how you want to lay it. To attach the string, I will use the following small pegs, on which I will hang each segment. After 1 hour of work, I managed to get them laid out like this. I installed the bulbs inside at the end of light work, so as not to damage them in the installation process. To avoid the black cable being visible on the wall, I managed an electrical extension out of white cable which I hide on the wall. It seems to look better that way. Here's the view at night. Super, I like it. It was impossible to enjoy the evening when it got dark. Now it's possible. I've connected the string to the smart AC switch so that the string can be controlled from my phone, and I can also set it to switch on and off automatically. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below. But for now, have a nice holiday.